This is Google Pixel 5a, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. After that, open the Google search bar, type in the Fortnite APK query, hit that search button. After that, among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website, then go for it. Once the web page will get loaded, we are going to look for one specific link that says download the app from Epic Games, then tap at the above mentioned link, wait for the file to ask your permission, then confirm that you would like to download it, then launch it. Prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use respective access that says install unknown apps, then confirm the installation of Epic Games launcher. After that, you will need to open it, grant all the permission that it asks for, tap at the black get button in front of a Fortnite, and then at the yellow install button. Now we will wait for the app to get downloaded at first. As you can see over here, it is required that we grant Epic Games Launcher the same permission that we allowed Google Chrome in my case. So let me do exactly that, then confirm the installation. I've accidentally cancelled it, so let's confirm the installation once again. And then just upon the installation completion, launch the game, and in here you will just need to wait a little more and just let the Fortnite download all necessary updates and resources. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.